In a world where technology tethers you down, it's rare when a product frees us to explore, adventure, and capture beautiful content wherever you go. Now introducing Lumin8, the world's most versatile LED. With Lumin8, we want you to explore the corners of the earth, the depths of the sea, and capture beautiful content while you're on your journey. Lumin8 is waterproof, so you can shine bright in all conditions. Whether you fall while skateboarding or are occasionally clumsy, Lumin8 has your back with an extremely durable build, which can even withstand the weight of a car. We know how important quality is for creators. Lumin8's bi-color 95 plus CRI rated LEDs ensure your visuals will have the highest quality of light. Lumin8 was designed to be used all day or night. With a 7-hour runtime, you will be set for a full day of shooting. As creators, we are extremely limited with the amount of time we have to set up and light a scene. With Lumin8, you can set up fast with our magnetic hot shoe or 1/4 inch mounts. Mount anywhere and control from afar with our remote. Wherever your journey takes you, take Lumin8, so you can have full creative freedom, thrive in any conditions, and create stunning content wherever you go.